Here's how I built the cover for my DIY cold plunge. I made a TikTok about it and it got over 4 million views, and I know some of you are interested in seeing how I built it. It's insulated and it fits snugly into the stock tank. I didn't document the entire process, so for some steps I'll be showing this stock tank. I recommend using the 2-inch 250 compressive strength foam insulation board. It's a little bit sturdier. You'll also need some sort of tarp material. I actually got this free from a building supply company that just throws it away. You'll also need 2 pieces of plywood or plywood siding. I used 1/2 inch. You'll also need some screws. I just happen to have these sitting on the shelf, but really any screws should work. You'll also need some construction adhesive, and the tools required would be a tape measure, a Sharpie, a drill, a jigsaw, and a stapler. So let's dig in. First step is tracing the stock tank onto the foam insulation. And once that's done, you'll want to cut along your line to get an oval like this. Now we need to reduce the size of that oval. So take the measurement of how wide the edge of your stock tank is and set your tape measure to that depth. I'm using a scrap piece to show this demonstration, but you'll want to do this along the oval that you cut out to reduce the size. Cut along your new line and you should have an oval that fits perfectly inside your stock tank. From here, trace and cut a piece of siding or plywood to the exact same size. Now apply some adhesive, write yourself a nice message, and then stick that piece of plywood right on top of it. After the adhesive has secured the plywood to the foam, cut a rectangle of tarp and then go around to secure it with a staple gun. Give it a test fit. It should sit just inside your tank. The final steps, and apologies for not having footage on this, is to cut the final piece of plywood. You will want to repeat the same process that you did with the foam earlier, but this time with plywood. After that piece is cut out, set your wrapped foam insulation down with the staple side up, put your piece of plywood on top, and attach with the screws shown in the beginning of the video. This will give you a perfect fitting insulated cover for your cold plunge. Now all that's left is to add some handles and get chilly. Hopefully this video was helpful and answered some of the questions you might have. I've got plenty of more content to come, but frankly I just wasn't prepared for the response that this thing had. I did my best to stitch it together. If you have any questions or anything else you'd like to see, let me know in the comments, subscribe, and follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook.